When I first started my photo essay, I mainly kept talking about the Johnson Center and how it should respond to the new virus going around. And so when I first started like typing it up and all everything, I continued to go on and talk about other gyms and what they're doing to help like stop and prevent germs and stuff from spreading in their facilities. And then after that, I provided like a bunch of examples on like actual gyms and what like they're doing and how they're quite profitable because gyms are cash cows and honest, like in all honesty. And in the photo essay I had all the statistics, and I also included the ways the gyms are setting up the insides of their facilities, like with all the equipment and everything, because of like social distancing and how like everybody's got to be like 6 feet apart and all that. And so after that, I talked about how like the process of cleaning all the different gym equipment is like very difficult because there's so many like different ways like you can use it, I guess. And there's so many like little parts that people can touch, and maybe gym employees may not like get all of it, but that was just one thing I talked about like kind of heavily. And then I also talked about what the Johnson Center could do like in order to help like prevent or stop the germ spreading. So, anyone doesn't get sick, so keeping everybody and all their employees and stuff safe. And then after that, that was pretty much the end of my essay besides my sources. And then the process I went through, honestly, when I started writing it, it was kind of tough, like the photo essay. But once I figured out my topic and everything, I figured I figured out pretty much that like all I needed were some quality like sources. And so honestly, I found the sources pretty quick, which was pretty cool. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer, but it honestly took me like a day max, not even. But that was probably like 2 days, honestly. But that was nice. And then so after I found my sources, I like looked at them all, put all like my info together in a Word doc. And after I had all my sources in a, I thought I was about to sneeze. And after I put everything in a Word doc, I then like moved it apart in my photo essay and everything with the pictures, and kind of like formatted it up and everything. And then once that happened, it was pretty much time for me to like kind of cite my sources and everything, which I hope I did right. And then when it came to like the rhetorical decisions I made, I kind of, when creating my photo essay, my focus was to persuade my audience because like I wanted to like persuade them like that this is an important topic. And then that's why I also talked about how there's so much equipment to clean, because if like employees miss a piece of equipment and it has like some germs on it or something, that could get someone sick maybe, I don't know. But that's why I also included many pictures of like inside the gym showing all the different equipment. And I also showed a picture of like a pull-up bar station with like a green ball in it, and like that shows all the different equipments that the employees would have to clean, which is a whole different variety of things. And so because of that picture, that is that was pretty much my persuasion, or those pictures. And so this would mean these gyms would have to make sure every little thing is clean, because honestly, germs are everywhere.